It's me, Joseph, and in the previous video we saw simple present tense. I hope you don't have any doubt, but if you still have any doubt, then we shall clarify it after receiving the feedback. Now, before moving forward, I would like to revise the present.
He eats mangoes. He eats mangoes. He does not eat mango. Does he eat mango? Does he not eat mango? He eats mango, doesn't he? He does not eat mango, does he? Mangoes are eaten by him. Mangoes are not eaten by him. Are mangoes eaten by him? Are mangoes not eaten by him? These are the 10 sentences in simple present tense that you can form.
I hope that was refreshing and it was a good recapitulation. Let's proceed further. In this video, in this session, we shall be learning continuous present tense. Continuous present tense is quite similar. It also has the same auxiliary verbs that we used in simple present tense, that is, have, are, do, does, has, have. Moving further, slide you shall see that we will be focusing upon present continuous tense, that is S plus is, am or are plus ing form of verb. Now in the previous video session we saw that the sentence was he eats mangoes. Now in the present continuous tense, whenever this word continuous crops up, remember you need to use ing form of verb necessarily. The sentence is continuing from the previous session. He is eating mangoes. Here we are using ing form of verb. Is the verb auxiliary for the construction of present continuous tense. This sentence can be defined as affirmative because there is no n word, that is negation, no, not, never. Likewise, it is also in active voice because subject is in subject's place and object is in object's place, hence it is active voice for sure. It's a statement and it's continuous present tense sentence. Here there is no hidden auxiliary because the auxiliary is already exposed, that is. In order to make it negative, all you need to do is he is not eating mango, that is only not is supposed to be added in this sentence in order to make it negative. Hence the sentence is negative, active voice, statement, continuous present tense sentence. The third in the pattern of mine is interrogative sentence. In order to make it interrogative, that is the statement to be made as an interrogative sentence, all you need to do is bring the verb auxiliary. Which is the verb auxiliary here? Is the verb auxiliary. If you see this first sentence, he is eating mangoes, is the verb auxiliary. All you need to do is bring the verb auxiliary to the beginning and then you will have the interrogative sentence, that is a question. See the third sentence. All I have done is I have brought verb auxiliary in the beginning. I haven't made any changes in this sentence. Is he eating mangoes? And you need to remember punctuation is very important and you need to insert a question mark at the end of the sentence. Now the sentence is affirmative, active voice, interrogative, continuous present tense sentence. The fourth one, as per our pattern, is he not eating mangoes? Here we have added the negative word not in order to make it negative sentence. And also it is an interrogative because we have kept the verb auxiliary in the beginning and also we have ended it with a question mark. Hence the sentence is negative, active voice, interrogative, continuous present tense sentence. Next sentence in the pipeline is question tag. as I have informed you, I have taught you in the previous session, question tag necessarily contains a contraction. Isn't he, shouldn't he, couldn't he, wouldn't he, mustn't he, don't he, haven't he, hasn't he, hadn't he, didn't he. All these are contractions, or they are contracted forms of verb and negative verbs. So here we have the first, that is fifth sentence. He is eating mangoes, comma has to be placed after the sentence, and then add a question tag, that is isn't he. Remember, whatever you have, as you have the verb auxiliary is here, you need to use the same verb auxiliary in contracted form and add the subject he and end it with a question mark. That's all your question tag is. The sentence is question tag, it's negative. Remember the golden rule of question tag, and that is, if the sentence is affirmative, then tag needs to be negative, and if the sentence is negative, then the tag needs to be an affirmative one. Sixth sentence is, he is not eating mangoes, comma, is he. Remember, the sentence is negative, that is he is not. We have a negative word not, that is why we have used for affirmative question tag continuous. Now this one is question tag, affirmative, continuous present tense sentence. Seventh one. Now seventh one will be a different one. The reason is 7, 8 and 9 and 10. As per my pattern, these remaining 4 sentences will always be in past tense. That is, subject needs to be brought into the foreground and object needs to be sent into the background. Let me go for a quick recapitulation. That is, the sentence initially we learned in this video, that was, he is eating mangoes. He is not eating mangoes. Is he eating mangoes? Is he not eating mangoes? He is eating mangoes. Isn't he? He is not eating mangoes. Is he? Mangoes are being eaten by him. Mangoes are not being eaten by him. Are mangoes being eaten by him? Are mangoes not being eaten by him? These are the 10 sentences that you can form in the continuous present tense positively. You need to check your understanding with the help of these 2 sentences. Remember, you need to identify the tense and then go for its construction. In the 20 forms that I have taught so far, in my video number 1, I taught 10 sentences in simple present tense, and in this video, I have taught you 10 more sentences in continuous present tense. Form both the sentences in all 20 kinds of sentences. Well, that's how you can check your understanding. Thank you. Goodbye.